Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay. And what about something super fun to make? How about some homemade Kahlua? Talk about a cool hostess gift over the holidays. A friend of mine gave it to us years ago and I thought, that was sort of a fun thing to do. It's just kind of festive and neat. So I thought, well, why don't we try it? So I have got hot water here. You could do this on the stove too if you want, but I did it this way so you can see what we're doing. So hot water, I'm gonna add sugar to it. Have a little sugar, right? And basically, all we're gonna do is stir this for a bit to melt the sugar. If you use super fine sugar, it's gonna dissolve quicker. I just happen to have some organic regular sugar. Then to this, while we're stirring it, we're gonna add some instant coffee. There's various recipes out there, but this turned out pretty good with the instant coffee because we're basically just making coffee by adding it to the hot water. So we're gonna stir everything. I just heated the water in my microwave. We're just gonna stir it all to combine and get rid of the little gritty pieces. Like I said, if you did it on the stove, it's a little easier on the stove, I think. Just keep stirring it till it's nice and smooth. Now to it, we're gonna add a cut up vanilla bean. I've cut it in little pieces. Give them a stir. Getting close. Okay, we're pretty much there. Then what we're gonna do to this concoction, we're gonna add a whole bottle of vodka. I'm gonna use Tito's because we know how Tito's is so dog friendly. So let's go ahead and just glug, glug, glug it in there. Gonna have almost 8 cups of liquid. Now we wanna let this cool thoroughly and just set it aside to cool. Then go ahead and put it into any kind of container, glass, plastic, whatever you like, but something that seals. And I put it in like a cool, dark spot for about 2 to 3 weeks and just kind of give it a shake or a stir every day or so. Now, I did this a few weeks ago, so I've got some to show you. Done. Slide this over here. So, as you can see, finished product. It's been sitting actually in my wine cellar for the last couple of weeks. I just gave it a shake every day. And so I'm gonna show you how we can present it and give it as a gift. How about that? So this would make a perfect little hostess gift. I mean, instead of taking a bottle of wine, or take it with a bottle of wine, whatever you think. You could also be kind of cool to put it in a little basket, maybe with a bottle of tequila, and you could have a little recipe for Mexican coffee. Could be kind of fun. So there we are. This is just a simple little glass cruet. And I've got a little tag. Tie them on. And this will be good, oh my gosh, like forever. It's not gonna last that long, obviously. But now wouldn't that be a cute thing to take to your next little party for a friend? It's easy breezy.